In the previous section, we saw deep learning at work in image recognition, voice assistants, and generative AI. These systems hold genuine power over modern digital life, but that power makes their vulnerabilities a direct threat if left unchecked. Deep learning is genuinely powerful. That is exactly why its weaknesses matter. Before relying on these networks, users must audit where they fail. We will look at their hidden internal logic, the danger of confident errors, the reality of skewed data, and the everyday practices required to apply this technology safely. Passively accepting an AI's output carries serious risks. True AI literacy requires knowing exactly how and why these systems break down. One uncomfortable truth about deep learning is that even the engineers who design a system cannot always explain why it generated a specific answer. We can easily observe the data that goes in and the final answer that comes out. That the reasoning in the middle happens across millions of tuned weights. This opacity becomes a critical flaw when a neural network evaluates human lives. If a bank denies a loan or a scanner rejects an application, the AI said so is an insufficient reason. A subfield known as Explainable AI attempts to solve this by highlighting which specific inputs exerted the most influence on the final decision, offering partial clues to the hidden logic. But Explainable AI is not perfect. A deep learning system can achieve high accuracy while remaining stubbornly unexplainable. Anyone using these tools to make decisions must operate with that humility. Chatbots generate text by predicting likely next words based on learned patterns. They do not look up stored facts like a search engine. Because of this predictive mechanism, they are prone to AI hallucination, stating completely false information as if it were absolute truth. A generative model will smoothly invent fake sources, state wrong dates, fabricate quotes, and cite non-existent court cases or policies. Saying, "I don't know," is remarkably difficult for an algorithm. Chatbots are rewarded during training for producing complete, helpful-sounding responses. When a model reaches the edge of its knowledge, it often fills the gap with a plausible-sounding guess rather than admitting ignorance. Hallucinations are a core feature of how generative text works, not random glitches. A polished, authoritative tone is generated. It is never proof of accuracy. A neural network learns its view of the world entirely from its training data. This creates a straightforward pipeline: garbage in, garbage out. This leads to algorithmic bias. If the training data is incomplete or skewed by prejudices, the network absorbs those patterns. Facial recognition software demonstrates this clearly. Historically, these systems were trained on datasets overrepresenting lighter-skinned male faces. Consequently, the networks performed far worse when evaluating women and darker-skinned individuals. These failures inflict wrongful harm. People are misidentified, denied access, or falsely accused by a technology they never opted into. An impressive overall accuracy score means very little if it masks a severe failure rate for a specific demographic. The vital question to ask of any system is, accurate for whom? The limits of deep learning do not mean we must avoid it entirely. They are simply a reason to use the technology carefully. Instead, we govern it with a simple rule: AI advises, a thinking person decides. There are 4 practical habits for using this technology wisely. Verify important answers against trustworthy sources. Do not mistake a fluent, confident tone for factual correctness. Always ask accurate for whom to check for algorithmic bias. And keep a human in charge of big decisions. Because the black box problem hides the network's reasoning, the AI decided is an unacceptable excuse for life-altering choices. Human oversight remains the ultimate necessity. What we've explored in Chapter 7 is that deep learning is built on specific, measurable components: artificial neurons, stacked layers, weights that store patterns, and training loops that reduce mistakes. These mechanics power tools that can see, hear, recommend, and generate. But those same mechanics create the inherent limits of unexplainability, hallucination, and embedded bias. AI literacy is the balance between using this power and respecting those limits. It means understanding the technology while ensuring that humans always hold the final responsibility.